Think 9 months is a long time to wait for a baby? Try nearly 2 entire years. Meet the African elephant. They have the longest gestation of any land mammal, a staggering 22 months. Why so long? Because elephant calves are born brain ready. They need that extra time to develop a highly complex brain so they can walk, eat, and survive the herd's trick just hours after birth. While an opossum is done in just 12 days, the elephant takes 680. That's the price of being the smartest giant on earth. Share this video to someone who would have stayed in the womb for 22 months and still wouldn't be brain ready like an elephant.